Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome back to my YouTube channel viewers. How are you all, my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the lovely viewers are good and healthy. Allah bless you all and always be happy friends. First of all, thank you so much viewers for watching my all the previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your this kind and favor. Secondly, you can see friends, in this video we are providing you most amazing and most trending design of handmade crochet lace top ideas, especially for summer collection. So viewer, please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end because all of these designs are so stunning, so unique and very useful. I hope you all love these type of beautiful and popular collection. So ever share this video with your family and lovely friends who want these type of most attractive design of lace top ideas, especially for summer. So this video is especially for those people. I hope they will love these beautiful ideas. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors and themes and designs. So we are providing you in this video different colors, different decent and unique design. You can see that all the designs are very classy and unique and seasonal collection. So you will pick your favorite one and must make this beautiful design for yourself for more gorgeous and outstanding looks. Thank you viewers for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's very amazing and very trending collection for them. They will get new designs, new ideas related to your crochet items. So here I am share with you the benefits of crochet tops in summer. It's very amazing benefits. You can see it's a breathability. Crochet tops are perfect for summer and they allow for airflow and keep you cool. Comfortability and it's very comfortable. Crochet fabric is soft and gentle on the skin, making it ideal for everyday wear. Versatile, crochet tops can be dressed up and down and paired with various bottoms from shorts to skirts. Unique crochet dresses, crochet top. Each crochet top is handmade, making it a one of a kind piece. Sustainable crochet tops are an eco-friendly alternative to fast fashion, reducing waste and supporting slow fashion. Customizable. You can choose your favorite yarn and favorite color and design to fit your personal style and preference. Relaxed fit. Crochet top often have a relaxed fit, making them perfect for casual wears. Easy care. Most crochet tops are machine washable and dry quickly, making maintenance a breeze. Fashionable crochet top are a stylish addition to any wardrobe, adding a touch of handmade charm. Empowering, wearing a crochet top can make feel you can feel confident and proud to sport handmade craftsmanship. Overall, crochet top offer a perfect blend of comfort, style and sustainability. And now secondly we are share with you the Main question is, what is the crochet? Crochet is a wonderful hobby. It's great way to create something with your own hands. Relax and express your creativity. Here are some fun facts about crochet. Crochet is a French word meaning hook. The first known evidence of crochet dates back to 1924 in South America. Crochet was originally used to make clothing, accessories, and home decor items. The most common crochet hook materials are aluminum, steel, and wood. Crochet has many benefits, including reducing stress, improving fine motor skills, and promoting relaxation. The world's largest crochet hook was over 6 feet tall and 2 inches wide. Crochet is a popular hobby worldwide with a million people who love this. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced crocheter, there's always something new to learn and create. So we were happy hooking. I hope you all are understand all the questions and you know very well crochet is a popular needlework and technique that involving using a hook and yarn to create fabric. It's a versatile craft that can be used to make a wide range of items such as clothing, accessories, home decor, and kids' toys, granny scares. Crochet has many benefits including relaxation and stress relief, creative expression and self-expression, portability, easy to take with you on the go, customization, choose your own yarn, color and pattern, and make your own item instead of buying them. So we were simply I am telling you, if you are interested um, to learning how to crochet, I can provide you with some basic instructions and resources to get you started, or if you are already experienced crocheter, I would be happy to help you with patterns, tips, and inspiration for your next project. What would you like now about crochet? Share the experience and share the reviews. I hope viewers you all are understand about crochet, and I hope I am explain I can explain the benefits of crochet and crochet tops. These are very amazing and outstanding collections, especially for summer, because in summer we want comfortable dresses and breathable dresses. So these are the best collection for summer. Pick your favorite one and make this beautiful design for yourself. One more time, thank you so much. Be support me like this forever, viewers. And I am very happy to see this because my all the YouTube community are very kind and very supportive. So if you all love this article, viewers, and if you want more design and more ideas, like my video, subscribe my channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon for the new and latest update. When you press the bell icon, you receive the notification. Be connected with me. See you soon. Bye bye.